Kasi alam ko yung mga comments dyan, yung sasabihin, pro-China. Okay, once and for all, bago kayo magsalita, this is not about me being pro-China, but I'm leaning towards economic cooperations rather than military practices. So, before kayo magsalita, you take off everything. Yung nasa bahay nyo, sa damit nyo, sa brief nyo, sapatos nyo, lahat that's made in China, do not use it before you open your mouth. You take off everything that China made, do not use it, then you open your mouth. So again, sinasabi ko, it's not about, us against China because China will always be there and the United States will always be there. Sila yung nag-aaway and both countries want control over this territory. We want an independent foreign policy.